Hello, what's going on? Alunda Silva here, and I'm excited to welcome you to this awesome session. So I have a great news for you today. Today I'm actually going to take you through how you can win with affiliate marketing. Hey, you're like, wait, what? Yeah, you can actually win doing affiliate marketing. And for those of you listening to me or watching my stuff for the first time, hey, my name is Alunda Silva, and I am an online entrepreneur and coach. So basically, what I do, I teach other people how they can actually make money online from the comfort of their homes. And if you resonate with these, if you're pumped, please consider subscribing to my channel and then take advantage of my courses and tutorials, and check around on this channel and see my other stuff. But today I'll be talking to you about how you can win with affiliate marketing. So have you ever tried doing affiliate marketing or business opportunity or consulting or even producing your own digital product or drop shipping and have failed? Or have you been looking and searching for how you can actually be an independent entrepreneur and call your own shots? Have you been looking into how you can actually make enough money to cover for your expenses and have enough to travel and do whatever you want? Maybe perhaps your heart is not in your job, and you're not able to get fulfillment from your job. Hey, look, listen to me, sit back and listen to what I have to share with you, and I hope that this is going to help you make a decision. And by the way, at any time in this tutorial, you can check my most recommended source and my most recommended actually resources that help me build a 6-7 figure business per year. And I believe that it's going to change your life, and it's going to help you call your own shot and be an independent entrepreneur. But yeah, hey, today I'm talking about how you can win with affiliate marketing. So I brought you here. I brought you into my world, my headquarters. I have my whiteboard with me. I have my computer right there. I have my outline, and I'm going to take you through how you can actually win with affiliate marketing. But before that, I'm going to give you a little bit of my story so you know my background. So I wasn't born, with silver spoon in my mouth, like someone would say, like having all the money and everything. As a matter of fact, a couple of years ago I was struggling financially, and I was indebted to my school. I did a master's degree. Just a long story short, I did a master's degree and I owed my school more than 10,000 US dollars, and I didn't know what to do. So I got a job, but my job was not enough. So I went online and did a bit of research on how I can actually make money online. I'm going to be honest with you, I struggled for many years. I searched and searched, struggled. There were times where I was really discouraged, and I was like, this online thing is crap, until I actually I stumbled upon my mentor, my mentor called Vic Strizus. He taught me step by step the strategies that he used and that I used, and finally, and I was able to make 6-7 figures online. So by the way, if you want to get access to that particular resources that I use, click the link below. It is what I call my most recommended source, and check it out for yourself. It's going to change you and change your business. It's literally a step-by-step guide on how you can set up a profitable and lucrative affiliate marketing business. But then enough of me. So I was able to build my business, make the money, and pay back my school, and now I'm working from home, teaching other people how they can actually make money online from the comfort of their home. If that resonates with you, if that's something you really want. So today I'm talking about how you can win with affiliate marketing. You see, if you're new to this and you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically how you can actually how you earn you basically sell a product, a legitimate product, and you earn commissions. So commissions go as far as 75% of the sales price. Some go 60, 50, 30% depending on the product. But basically you sell other people's product for a commission, and that's how you make your money. And today I'm going to be teaching you how you can win with affiliate marketing. So without further ado, this video is not going to be a long one. I just want to bring these points to you, and if you really want to go in depth and details into this thing, please check out my recommended source, and every details will be available to you. So today, the first point, how do you win with affiliate marketing? The first point is to be hungry. I hope you can see my whiteboard here. Let me bring it closer. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, you can? Okay, great, thank you. So the first point here is to be hungry. Now, what do I mean to be hungry? One of my mentors, One of my mentors, Les Brown, said that there are those who are winners. There are those who haven't learned how to win, and there are those who are not just winners. Now, which category are you? You know yourself. Many years ago, I was among those who haven't learned how to win, because deep down within me, I knew that there was more to life. I knew there was more that I could accomplish, but then I was failing every time. I didn't know until I discovered how to win. But one thing that kept me going was my hunger. My hunger and my strong desire to accomplish something. So what I mean by being hungry is have a strong desire to accomplish whatever is in your heart. Have a strong desire to accomplish what your goal is. Let me write it here. Have a strong desire. But I'm going to use another color so you can differentiate it from the point. So have a strong desire, have a strong desire to grow and learn. Have a strong desire to grow and learn. I hope you can see this right here. You know what? When Tony Robbins rightly said that anybody that doesn't grow dies. Actually, it wasn't necessarily from him. Whatever does not grow dies, and that's true. So if you really, if you feel in your heart of heart that you are destined for greatness, that you want to accomplish greatness, but you just don't know how, hey, my friend, it's important for you to learn and to grow. Be open to learn and grow. And you know what? When you open yourself to learn and grow with a strong desire, the answers are going to come. For example, this course right here is an answer to you. If you're someone and that right now you're feeling an urge in your heart that you really aren't where you're supposed to be, that you're supposed to accomplish greater things, that you're supposed to afford everything you want, you're supposed to provide a greater and more comfortable life for your family. Hey, this course is your answer. This course is your answer. And I'm telling you that if you check out my most recommended, so it's going to teach you how you can set up an affiliate business step by step from scratch, and how you can actually earn your first 10,000 US dollars selling other people's products from scratch. Hey, look, your strong desire, have a strong desire to grow and learn. Open yourself to grow and learn. Always never tell yourself that, oh, I know everything, I know this. No, keep an open mind and learn to grow. If you really want to win with affiliate marketing, you need to fire that fire. You need to actually fuel that fire within you, and this is only going to be fueled through knowledge. The fire in you, the way you'll be able to accomplish whatever you want is you knowing how to accomplish it. You understand? If you want to accomplish something, you need to know how to, and the how to is where your desire to learn and grow comes in. So you have to open up your mind to learn and grow. Very important. And secondly, you have to get yourself a coach or a mentor. I always tell this. You know what? Many people come to me and they ask me, hey, Alun, what is the easiest path, and the most lucrative way to get online? And I easily tell them, affiliate marketing. Is affiliate marketing. This model is as simple as get a good product, promote it, build your business around it, and then be paid commission. It's true, it sounds easy, but hey, what if you had someone that could actually take you step by step, that could teach you how you can actually choose a product, where to choose legitimate product, how to promote, how to get traffic, how to speak to your people, to those that opt into your email, how to set up your email autoresponder, how to set all those things up. What if you had someone that could tell you, hey, your name, whatever your name, hey, my friend, do this, go right, go left, do this, get here, step by step. What if you had that? Wouldn't your life be easy? It would definitely be easier. For me, for many years I struggled because I lacked this component. I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have a coach to tell me what to do, and I struggled. I went, doing a lot of things here and there, wasting a lot of money and wasting a lot of time and wasting my energy for sure. So I advise you, if you really want to win in this business of affiliate marketing, get yourself a coach, get yourself a mentor. And if you're here yet and you don't have a mentor, hey, click below and opt into my people, and I can become your mentor. Every week I drop this kind of this kind of tutorials and teaching, and teach my people and people like you who are willing to listen how they can actually win with affiliate marketing. And if you check on this platform, you see other tutorials that I've done that will help you a great deal in setting up your affiliate marketing business. And remember, when you opt into my people, I'll also introduce you to my mentors. I have several of them who've helped me in different areas of my life, and I will introduce you to them, and I know that they, including me, will change your life. Hey, the reason why you should get a mentor and a coach is that you need someone to not only show you the blueprint, but someone that's going to be there in the trenches with you. Literally, if you opt into my people, you're gonna have access to me 24 hours. You can ask me any question. I will show you what to do step by step, and also you're gonna have access to my private circle. And when I do private webinars only for my people, teaching them how they can set up their business step by step, I go through all the nitty-gritties of affiliate marketing, and you can actually take advantage of that. You can be one of them, and I teach you how you can set your business online. But then, enough of me. The next point is learn the tactics and strategies. Very important. If you really want to win with affiliate marketing, there are, you know what, there are laws that governs the world. We all know the law of gravity, and thank God for that. That's why I'm here right now. I'm not flying about. So, and that's why you are where you are right now. You're not just flying about. So there are laws that govern everything. There are laws that govern everything. Same in affiliate marketing, there are laws and there are strategies. There are tactics. If you want to be able to market, and how do you convince someone, persuade someone to actually buy the product from you and not from thousands of other affiliates, how do you do that? There is a way, my friend. And I can show you this way step by step. How do you talk to your prospect? How do you launch a campaign? How do you, set up traffic? Everything I can show you step by step. And you need to know these things. How do you connect an autoresponder? Which autoresponder do you have to use? There are so many autoresponders out there. I've tried a couple of them. Some of them are good, some of them are not that good, but I can actually direct you to the right path. So remember, learn the tactics and strategies. And then you might be wondering, where can I learn the tactics? Hey, you're learning the tactics through this tutorial. This tutorial is bringing you some answers right now. You can learn them through reading books, Google search, YouTube video. You might actually watch this video on YouTube or one of my platforms out there on my website. You're actually learning this, or maybe you are opting into my people. When I send this to your email, you are actually learning this through your email or through my platform. So you can actually do research. When you're looking for things, how you can win with affiliate marketing, you can actually search on Google, on YouTube, read books. Whenever you have like a question in your mind, take the habit to search. Search on Google, on YouTube, or read books. Learn. Make up your mind to learn about traffic generation. By the way, two major things you need to learn in affiliate marketing as well. Two major things. Hey, listen, don't miss this. Two major things you need to learn. Number one is what? Number one is conversion. You need to learn conversion. In affiliate marketing, you need to master conversion, I must say. Number two, traffic. I hope you can see this. Two major things you need to learn in affiliate marketing: conversion and traffic. These are the two. If you can master conversion and traffic, here, my friend, you'll be able to call your shot. You'll be able to be an independent affiliate marketing, and you can actually earn money and make money like you're just calling it. It's very important, and I can teach you how you can do that. I've been able to build a 6 to 7 figure online business doing affiliate marketing and working from the comfort of my home, teaching other people how they can do that as well while I'm also doing it. So yeah, so this is all I have for you today. Remember, this is how you can win with affiliate marketing. This is a crash course. If you opt into my people, I'm going to give you details. 4-day free training, 4 days free training on how you can actually win with affiliate marketing, how you can settle your business, and how you can make your first dollar online. So hey, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, opt into my people, and take advantage of my 4 days training. And remember, if you're someone and you really want to dive straight and deep into this at once, hey, make sure you click on my most recommended course down there, my most recommended material, and then take advantage of it. Hey, if you like this kind of content, yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel. You know, I come up with all this content teaching you how you can earn and make money from the comfort of your homes at least once a week. And I also do live webinars, and you can join me live and ask me live questions. Any question that's disturbing your mind or whatever you need to start your business, you can ask me live. So subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Hey, look, I'm pumped, and I hope you got a great value from this. And if you did, please leave me a comment below and let me know how I did. Let me know what you learned, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Hey, until I come your way again, be awesome. I'll see you. Bye.